Alright, Ben and Tom picked this valve grinder up. We're going to see if we can get this thing going so these guys can do valve jobs all themselves. It works.
Way on this side.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What'd you do?
What'd you do?
He's got an outlet that's not working. So, everything works on it. We just got to get this working. But when this is working, then these guys can cut 45s, lap the valves in, go back and put a 30 top cut on it. So that's a more of a performance valve job. And it'll make a big difference in airflow and more horsepower. So we're going to see if we can get this thing running for these guys one of these days. And these guys can do their own valve jobs.
Yep. I mean, and this was probably made in what, the 50s?
I want to say anywhere from 50s to 60s. My son is a little different than this. This is a Black & Decker. I'm not exactly sure when it. I'm honestly, by the looks of it, it was somewhere from 59 to 69 in that range. But it seems to be working. We got some stuff we got to figure out. This ain't working. We don't have a stove for refacing these valve stems. But
So hit us up in the comments if you guys are like these guys and you've actually used one of these, okay, and you know where we can find some parts for this. We would love to incorporate that in the video, actually do some valves for you guys. Alan's got a valve seat tool or cutters that he uses.
my
for the
son's
seats.
valve machine is a little different than this, but it's pretty close to the same.
Yeah, so we would love to, keep it old school. We just need to figure out what it is, where to get parts, and we'll do a valve job, old school. Show you guys how to do it and what the benefits are. Explain it, as far as flow versus different degrees on the valves, and we'll go from there. So if you guys want to see that, like, follow, comment, follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Foxhole Garage, and let us know. And also, if you're familiar with this, I don't know if there's a model number on there. I can't
It just
really
says
see.
Black & Decker. It might be a model number.
Is there? Yeah. I can't really. Yeah, we can't see. But
Don't see any number on it.
if you used one of these, if you know, you know. Okay. Serial number. There you go.
Serial number.
Ish. Something. There's a serial number on there. There you go. 43701
0019.
0019er. So, if you guys have used one of these,
6300.
ooh. Okay. If you guys are familiar with one of these, where to get parts, replacement stuff, we know we need a stone, a couple other things, maintenance on it. It works. The motor works. We'd love to clean it up and use it.
Yeah, the motors work.
Let us know.